Kids Rock is a charity team building event designed to boost team spirit and create a sense of community through the assembly and donation of fun toys for children in need. During the event, teams will carefully build and decorate beautiful wooden rocking chairs and rocking horses. Participants will also assemble various cuddly animals. Once these furry friends are created, they'll be dressed in a variety of fun outfits, giving them an identity of their own. The event includes our no-download Brainstorm, a fun and interactive web-based platform accessed with a QR code. It features text, audio, and video clues, exciting gaming challenges, and can capture and save all your memories of this heartwarming event with photos and videos of your teams in action. These beautiful rocking chairs, rocking horses, and stuffed animals will be welcome additions at local crisis centers, hospitals, and schools. The program will conclude with an address from the receiving organization's representative, thanking your group for their generosity. The possibilities are endless, but the outcome is always the same: a proud team of employees and happy children who will benefit from your caring donation.